Today, I'll show you how to fade in audio so that your sound starts gradually and feels more professional. First, bring your video or audio into the timeline. Tap on the audio track to select it. Then look to the right side editing menu and choose volume envelope. You'll see a line running across the clip. That's your volume control. At the very start, drag the first point down to silence. Then move to the second point and drag it back up to full volume. When you play it back, you'll notice the audio doesn't start suddenly anymore. It gently fades in. You can also control the speed of the fade. If you keep the 2 points close together, the fade will be quick. If you spread them out, the fade will be slower and more gradual. This technique is especially useful for background music intros, narration starts, or softening the entry of sound effects. And that's it. You've added a fade in effect in KineMaster. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more KineMaster editing tips.